Welcome to this lesson on using keyboard shortcut keys. Shortcut keys are keyboard combinations that complete a specific operation. In simple terms, keyboard shortcuts help you get things that you're trying to do done faster. On top of the Windows operating system shortcuts, most programs that you install will have keyboard shortcuts available to use within the program. The ones that we are going to cover are going to be related to the Windows operating system. There are way too many to list in this video, but in the Things to Remember section, there will be a link to all the Windows shortcut keys that are available. I'm going to demonstrate this with some text that I created. The first keyboard shortcut is the copy command. We do this by highlighting whatever we wanted to copy and then pressing Ctrl and C. This is the same as going to edit and clicking copy. What this does is copy the text to the clipboard. The clipboard is a special location in your PC or device memory that is used as a temporary storage area for any information that you copy. Now this is useful if we wanted to copy something and put it somewhere else. To place what we just copied to the clipboard to another location, what we would need to do is press Ctrl and V, which is the same thing as going to edit and then clicking paste. So we've just copied and pasted this random text into another document. Ctrl A will select everything that is active in the window. Ctrl Z is how we would undo something that we just done. And that's the same as clicking edit and then clicking undo. Ctrl Y is to redo. And that concludes our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.